Okay, the drink we're about to make is called the original Margarita. All right, put some ice in a glass. We're going to have a martini glass set up with some water and ice in there. Let that sit while you're making your drink, and it should be nice and chilled by the time you're done. Okay, measure out 1.5 ounces of tequila. And follow that up with 1 ounce of Cointreau, or orange liqueur. And next we will add 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. All right, let's go ahead and shake it up. Get it really cold. We're going to be serving it with no ice. So you want to make sure you shake it until you feel it's very cold. Go ahead and dump out your ice water. And if you'd like to, if you want a salted rim, just dip it in some lemon juice or lime juice and put some salt on the rim. But if you don't want a salted rim, you can just pour it in with your strainer. And we'll garnish it with a lime. And that's it. The original Margarita. Bottoms up.